I will kill Master if you don't comply.
This dragon belongs to me.
It's the family!
Huh? Dragon, swallow it! Good job, keep going!
You help me!
No, Leon!
Huh? Get off my dragon! Oh.
Your turn, Calvin!
Good job, Toothless!
Let's go!